Resetting two-factor authentication on Zoom can help you regain access if you're having trouble. Follow these steps to reset your two-factor authentication settings. Step 1. Sign into your Zoom account. Go to the Zoom website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to your email or phone number associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the security settings. Once logged in, click on My Account in the upper right corner. From the left sidebar, select Security to access your security settings. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the section for two-factor authentication. Click on the option to disable it. You may need to verify your identity through email or SMS. Step 4. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling, look for the option to enable two-factor authentication again. Follow the prompts to set it up, choosing your preferred method: SMS, Authenticator app, etc. Step 5. Confirm your new settings. Once you have re-enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm that the new settings are active and working properly. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Zoom. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zoom support for further assistance.